I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Swipe up from the watch face to open Control Center and view battery percentage. Make sure your Apple Watch is unlocked and on your wrist. Tap the battery percentage to open the battery screen and see low power mode. Flip the low power mode switch to off and wait for features to resume. Notifications and background sensors restart when low power mode turns off. If power reserve is active, connect your charger to exit power reserve mode immediately. Press the digital crown and open settings on your Apple Watch to change battery options. Scroll down and tap battery to reveal low power mode and battery percentage. Toggle low power mode off and confirm if your watch prompts for confirmation. Turning it off restores always-on display, background heart rate, and active workout tracking. I recommend keeping battery above 20% to reduce unexpected low power mode activation. Close settings and power reserve limits the Apple Watch to show only the time and disables regular features. To exit power reserve, connect the watch to its charger immediately and ensure the charger provides power. While charging, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears on screen. After the logo, low power mode should be adjustable again in Control Center or Settings. If the watch remains unresponsive, force restart by holding the digital crown and side button for 10 seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.